Hi, Hurricane Dave here. Today I'm going to do a quick video review of the Drone World TSA combination locks. First of all, the lock feels pretty solid. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It feels very well made. The combination is pretty easy to set. By default, the code is 0000. And to actually set the combination to what you want it to be, it's pretty easy. You simply lift the shackle, you rotate 90 degrees and press it down, and then rotate another 90 degrees. And as you can see, it holds in place. Now you want to set the code. Let's just say, for instance, we want to go 1111. You set it to the code that you want, and then you rotate the shackle back and lift it up. Okay, now the code is 1111. And you can mess up the code, and you can see now it's locked. And that's pretty much all there is to setting the combination on the lock. And as you can see, it's a pretty decent lock. Thanks for watching.